In order to continue to make the Modo UI and toolset more discoverable, and also reduce the need to access a number of different layouts to do certain tasks, Modo 12.1 contains some significant UI enhancements. To allow faster access to a wide variety of Modo tools, the tool palette buttons added in 12 now swap the tool palettes directly in the form. Holding Alt will open up the form in a pinnable popover, and holding Control will open it as a palette. With the implementation of viewport display option buttons in the UV viewport in 12, the same approach has now been taken in the 3D viewport. It is now possible to toggle things like background mesh visibility, item drawing, weight map visibility, and distortion directly in the viewport. This not only makes these options easier to find, but also gives you a clear visual indicator of their state. The Modo Modes form has been further tweaked to now include a Setup Mode button, Render button, and nested Center and Pivot Mode buttons, allowing for further consistency between layouts. In order for the UI to better accommodate the ever-increasing number of kits and plugins being created by third-party developers, all kits now exist in a Kits Popover form, accessed via the Kits button in the top right of the UI. This also contains the Kit Manager, introduced in 12. And finally, Modo 12.1 now also includes an alternative Modo layout that continues to develop the idea of a single layout workflow. This is designed to introduce you to a variety of UI concepts that are currently under development. This includes a context-sensitive tool palette, buttons for quickly accessing common item list tasks, and access to the timeline and controls at the base of the UI. The main concept in the design is the ability to configure how viewports are accessed. Collapsible forms give you access to controls for defining the current viewport, and also the viewports contained in any vertical or horizontal split of the main viewport. And once defined, these viewports can be accessed via UI buttons or a pie menu.